Today we are going to find the circumference and the area of a circle with a quarter piece taken out of it. So what you would do is, first you could draw the circle. It's already drawn, but I'll kind of just go through it. You would find your midpoint, and then you could use a compass to draw it. So here's the circle that was already drawn. And what we did was drew the radius in the middle, connecting to about the top over here, and then another one out to the right here. And we're going to say our radius is 8 inches, and then this would also be 8 inches, since the radius is any distance from the middle to any point around the circle. And first we're going to find the circumference. So to do that, it can be pi times diameter. Okay. And to get the diameter, you would just multiply the radius by 2. So 8 times 2 is 16. So you do 16 pi, which equals, if you were to take out a calculator, 50.3. So that's the circumference of the whole circle. But remember, we're taking out this quarter piece right here. So we have to account for that. So what we're going to do is multiply 50.3 times 0.75, because that's 3/4 of the circle. And if you were to do that in your calculator, you would get 37.7 inches, and that is the circumference of that. But you also have to account for the fact that if you were to walk around the circle with the quarter piece taken out, you would also have to walk here and here. So you need to add the 8 inches and the other 8 inches in. So plus 16, and that equals 537, for 53.7 inches, and that is the total circumference of the circle with the quarter piece taken out.
So you call that the circumference. It also is called the perimeter, right? Because
Yes.
if you're walking around and it's an irregular object, you would call that a perimeter. Very good. And now you wanted to talk about area, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to find the area of this piece that was outlined. The formula for area of a circle is pi radius squared. We already found that the radius was, we can see that the radius is 8, so 8 inches. So what you would do is 64 pi, because 8 times 8 is 64. When you put that in a calculator, it comes out to be 201.1 inches. And since it's not a full circle, this would be the area of a full circle. Since it's not a full circle, we have to multiply by 0.75, and once you do that in the calculator, you would get 150.8 inches squared. And since it's the area, you have to make sure you put square units. And that's how to find the area.
Yeah.
That's okay.
More like that after.